Okay guys, I totally forgot to do a intro for you guys, and the room I'm recording in right now, well, I was recording in, is super noisy right now, so I can't really film an intro. So I guess this is my intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. I don't know if you guys can tell because I don't have any lighting. I'm literally using my kitchen lighting, okay? So hopefully you guys don't click off this video, please. Look at these cute little flowers that Danny got me. I got this one from Target. I have not tried it out, so in a way it's like a first impression. I have not tried it out at all.
2 hours later.
So this is how the palette looks like after 20 hours of trying to open it. So we're gonna start off with eyeshadow. I haven't done anything besides put moisturizer and put lip balm and stuff, that way I won't look gross and stuff. Okay, before I continue, I'm going to tell you guys the products I bought at Ulta. Products that I already had in my collection. So I got the brushes because I wanted to try them out. I did film a first impressions video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload that one first or this video first. Anyways, I'll still link it down below if you guys are interested in seeing my first impressions of these. I got a Wet n Wild concealer, which I'm going to use today and see if it works. I also got the contouring palette, and this is in shade Dulce de Leche. This I already had in my collection. As you can see, I've already used it and all of that. This is the blush from Wet n Wild and Mellow Wine. This is a blush I literally use. If I use blush, I'm most probably using that one. I also already had this in my collection, the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I've always used it since like for over a year already. I love that eyeliner, so yes. And this is another product that I picked out and I have not tried, so we're gonna see in this video as well if it works. This is a dewy face primer, so we're gonna see if it I have super dry skin, you guys, so if this works on me, we know it's good. As I'm trying to use as minimal products as possible, that way if you all are in a budget, you all can see what I could do or what you all can do with using like very minimal products that are in a budget. Okay, I'm gonna use the concealer to prep my eyes. Okay, so far I put the concealer on my eyelids and it doesn't feel bad at all. It feels normal, like any normal concealer that I've used to prime my eyelids. So far this product is good. I'm gonna use the white eyeshadow to set my eyeshadow. I don't normally do this, but you know, just to be fancy with it, we're gonna do that. I'm using the Wet n Wild. I don't know what line this one is, but it's just like the regular, like I think this one costs like $2, $1.99 or something like that. I'm gonna get the Wet n Wild blending brush. As you can probably tell, I use this one all the time, so it's not like I'm just doing it for the video. I generally do love their brushes, so yeah. I'm gonna go with the orangey shade right here, and I'm just gonna put it all over my crease. It does seem a little bit darker than my normal transition color. Like normally when I get a orangey shade, it's a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna be very like gentle with it. Honestly, it kind of looks better than some of my other palettes that I've used so far. This shade right now, I'll check other shades, but I'm not shocked because I love Wet n Wild products, so it's not like, oh my god, I'm shocked. I've always loved their products, their brushes, their blushes. I have never tried their eyeshadows before, so yeah, I'm really kind of happy with it because I'm really happy that it worked out. But it looks really good. For $5, you guys, it's really good. And honestly, not even, I would actually pay for more than $5 for this because it's really nice. It's blendable, and that's like really what you need for an eyeshadow. That you need it to be blendable, buildable. So that's what this is. As you can see, that as soon as I apply it, it looks really dark, but if you keep blending, it still looks, you're able to blend, if that makes sense. See how blendable it is? I have not gone back to my palette at all. Let me open the brushes, and I'm gonna grab the smaller brush. This one. This one is called the tapered blending brush, so it's a little bit smaller than the blending brush that it comes with. I can't even show you. Okay, so it's a little bit smaller than the blending brush that it comes with. As you can see, I already used them, but I just put it back, that way you guys can see the pretty packaging. I'm gonna grab this one. You guys, I'm ready to go back and buy some more. Okay, I'm gonna grab this is a shader eye brush. It looks like this, and I'm gonna grab the sparkly shade next to the white. Okay, I already added the sparkly shade in my inner corner. I like it. I'm just gonna add a darker color in my outer corner because it's just like pink. And clean the brush a little bit, and I'm just gonna go with the dark chocolate brown right here. I'm just gonna lightly put it in my outer corner. They're so inexpensive, yet they're really good, so I give this a 10, honestly. Like, I have no complaints about it at all. They do blend, they do work, they're pigmented. I love it. Okay, so the next thing is eyeliner. I almost forgot. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I've always used this. I think if you guys have watched my other videos, Get Ready With Me's and all of that, then you guys would know that I already use this product all the time. For mascara, I picked out the cheapest one I could find, which is this one. The most inexpensive, not cheapest. The most inexpensive one I could find, and it's this one, the blue one. And it's, I think it was 93 cents at Walmart. I think with tax and everything, I paid $1 with 1 penny, you guys. So if this works, hopefully it does work. If it works and it gets just, you know, makes my lashes look a little bit better than how they look right now, then that's a good thing. That's a win for $1, you know? That's how it looks like. Okay, it is kind of clumping up my eyelashes already. I mean, it's not nothing like, oh my god, you know, super bad, but I mean, if I do this, if I kind of go like against them, it does separate them, because if I just go one way, they do kind of clump them up a little bit. You do kind of have to work a little bit more with this one. That's what I'm kind of noticing. I don't know if you guys can see how many like strokes I'm doing. Okay, so I already have the mascara on. I'm not sure how to grade this, because the dollar kind of like weighs me in. It's not my favorite mascara, but it did its job, so that's all I'm gonna say. This is how the lashes look like, so you all make the decision. What I kind of noticed that this mascara is literally for length, it's not really for volume, and maybe that's enhance and define. So this is basically what it said here, enhance and define. So it just, that's what it did. It just enhanced my natural my natural eyelashes. Next, I did not buy an eyebrow thingamajig. I wanted to see if I could use this as eyeshadow. This 10-piece brush said did not include an eyebrow brush, so that's why I'm using this one, the Sonia Keshik eyebrow brush. It's very beat up and stuff because I love it. I'm gonna grab, which eyeshadow should I grab? I think I'm gonna grab this one. I don't know if it's too light. If it's too light, then I'll just mix it with the dark one. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my face. I already put moisturizer in the beginning, which I'm gonna try the dewy primer. Like I said, I already let my, ooh, Lord Jesus, did you guys see that? Oh my god, it exploded. It looks like this. It's like a brown shimmery very like kind of liquidy type of thing. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, it's cold. Okay. Next time, I'm not gonna put it all over my face like this. I'm not gonna do it like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it like in my cheeks and the spots that usually look dry. I'm not gonna put it all over my face like how I did now. Lesson learned. But I mean, it did its job. Can you guys see my face, how glowy it looks? It already kind of dried, so even if I want to blend it, it doesn't move. So just make sure to know where you're gonna apply it, because I don't know if that's a con or a problem for you guys or turn off, but you can't really blend it anymore. So okay, I'm gonna just be using the concealer. We're gonna try out if this concealer is good, you guys. I'm gonna cry. Okay, I'm gonna freaking cry because this concealer was $4. I think it was $3.99 at Ulta. I have a lot of red right here, so if that it covers it, it's really good. I sometimes do this, by the way. I'm not just doing it for the video. Sometimes I just apply concealer to like the center of my face, like under my eyes, around my mouth, and like aligned in my forehead. That way it won't look super like uneven, and then I'm good to go. It is blending really good, and I think the primer helped a lot, you guys. I think the primer is not an A+, but I'll give it a B, the primer. But it looks kind of good. It looks like it did its job. The only thing is that it's not super full coverage, which if you guys are not looking for full coverage, then that's good, because it didn't really cover so much of my under eyes. I don't know if you guys can see. You can still tell my under eyes are there, and you can still see a little bit of redness right there. So but I mean, it looks good. It still looks good. Primer really makes my face look really dewy, which is really nice. If you guys love that dewy fresh look, definitely go pick out that primer. I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche. Okay, so this is how the palette looks like. It's pretty big, so you do get a good amount of product. I think this was, ooh, like I can't really say $3-4. I'm not completely sure. I'm gonna grab the powder brush from the collection. It definitely set my makeup. That's good. Good.